Hey guys, Anthony here with a brief review on Cover Health, a digital walk-in clinic. With the global pandemic, many of us are looking at ways to getting things done virtually while we stay at home as much as possible. Recently, I had to book a doctor's appointment and wanted to avoid going to a walk-in clinic. So I called Telehealth Ontario, and they referred me to Cover Health, which is a digital walk-in clinic for residents of Ontario, Canada. Cover Health is covered by OHIP, the Ontario Health Insurance Plan, which means that it's free for Ontarians. They are open 7 days a week, and their doctors are all based in Ontario, Canada. So the way it works is quite simple. You go to the Cover Health website and register with your OHIP card, book your virtual doctor's visit, and finally speak to a licensed doctor. Some of the common health ailments that you can book an appointment for include prescription renewal, reproductive health, cold and flu symptoms, eye infections, sore throat, UTIs, and much more. Now bear in mind that this service is not for emergencies or urgent care. You should call 911. Based on my own experience using Cover Health, I would definitely recommend it because, well, first of all, it's very convenient. You do it all from the comfort of your home. The process was quick and easy to follow, and you can get same-day appointments. The doctors I consulted with were very professional and knowledgeable. And overall, I received excellent customer service. One important note I'd like to make is that make sure your phone does not block calls from a private number. If not, you'll miss your appointment and you'll have to rebook it. Well, hope this Cover Health review helped. You can check my video on how to book a virtual doctor's visit. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.